Welcome everyone! Today we're going to build a fan for the roof light for a fraction of the price of the most famous ones. I bought a computer fan on Amazon and a potentiometer switch on AliExpress. So I installed the fan on a honeycomb polycarbonate transparent panel to let the light in. After drawing the shape on an aluminium foil, I proceed to cut. Cutting is so satisfying, isn't it? If you want to see more content, please subscribe. I bend the side wings that will hug the wooden structure of the roof light. And I drill a hole and install a switch. With just a couple of screws, the piece fits perfectly. The fan is very silent. The panel can be rotated 180 degrees to reverse the airflow. Because when I'm cooking, it may be necessary to extract air, or in summer it may be necessary to ventilate the van. The two wooden parts give rigidity. The airflow is not very strong, but is more than enough to ventilate the interior, so mission accomplished. Okay guys, thanks for following. Ciao ciao!